Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide Instagram online status. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app in your device and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. And from here, scroll down until you see Messages and Stored Replies and click on that. Then you'll see Show Activity Status and just click that. From here, you can just toggle the switch to turn off or on the showing of your activity status. So when this option is enabled, accounts you follow and anyone you message can see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram. And by turning it off, you'll keep your online status private and others won't be able to track your activity on the app. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!